Do you ever find yourself staring out the window, daydreaming about far-off places, exotic adventures, and new experiences? That feeling, that itch to explore, discover, and wander, is what we call wanderlust. It's that insatiable desire to travel, to see the world through fresh eyes, and to soak up every moment of the journey. But what if you're not sure where to start? What if you're struggling to find your travel motivation? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore some tips and tricks for discovering your travel motivation and unleashing your inner wanderlust. 1. Reflect on past experiences. Take a moment to think back to your past travel experiences, however big or small. What were the moments that made your heart race with excitement? Was it exploring a bustling city, hiking through rugged mountains, or lounging on a pristine beach? Reflecting on these experiences can help you pinpoint the types of travel activities and destinations that ignite your passion for adventure. 2. Identify your travel goals. Consider what you hope to gain from your travels. Are you seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, cultural immersion, or adrenaline-pumping adventures? By identifying your travel goals and priorities, you can narrow down your options and focus on experiences that align with your interests and aspirations. 3. Explore your interests. Think about your hobbies, interests, and passions outside of travel. Do you love sampling exotic cuisines, learning about different cultures, or immersing yourself in nature? Exploring your interests can provide valuable insights into the types of travel experiences that are most likely to resonate with you and fuel your wanderlust. 4. Create a travel vision board. Get creative and put together a travel vision board filled with images, quotes, and inspiration that speaks to your wanderlust. Whether it's a physical board hung up in your room or a digital collage saved on your computer, having a visual representation of your travel goals can help keep you motivated and inspired to pursue your dreams. 5. Seek inspiration from others. Turn to travel blogs, social media influencers, and documentaries for inspiration and ideas. Follow your favorite travel bloggers and Instagram accounts. Watch travel vlogs on YouTube, and read books or watch films set in exotic locations. Hearing about other people's travel experiences can spark your imagination and inspire you to plan your own adventures. 6. Step outside your comfort zone. Sometimes the best way to discover your travel motivation is to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. Whether it's solo travel, volunteering abroad, or embarking on a challenging trek, pushing yourself beyond your limits can lead to transformative experiences and newfound passions. 7. Set realistic goals. While it's essential to dream big, it's also important to set realistic and achievable goals. Start by planning smaller trips or weekend getaways to nearby destinations before tackling more ambitious travel plans. Setting milestones and celebrating your achievements along the way can help keep you motivated and focused on your travel goals. 8. Connect with like-minded travelers. Join travel communities, forums, and meetup groups to connect with like-minded individuals who share your passion for exploration. Engaging with fellow travelers can provide valuable insights, tips, and support as you navigate your own travel journey. Whether it's swapping stories, planning group trips, or simply sharing travel advice, connecting with others can enrich your travel experience and fuel your wanderlust. 9. Embrace spontaneity. While planning is essential, don't be afraid to embrace spontaneity and seize opportunities as they arise. Serendipitous moments, chance encounters, and unexpected detours often lead to some of the most memorable travel experiences. Keep an open mind, be flexible with your plans, and allow yourself to wander off the beaten path in pursuit of adventure. 10. Remember why you travel. Above all, remember why you travel. Whether it's to escape the routine of daily life, broaden your horizons, or create lifelong memories with loved ones, hold on to that sense of purpose and passion that drives your wanderlust. Keep your travel dreams alive, stay curious, and never stop exploring the world around you. In conclusion, discovering your travel motivation is a deeply personal journey that requires self-reflection, exploration, and a willingness to embrace new experiences. By following these tips and trusting your instincts, you can unlock the door to endless adventures and discover the joy of wanderlust. So go ahead, take that first step and embark on a journey of discovery that will fuel your wanderlust for a lifetime. What are your best tips for travel motivation? Write it below in the comments. Alright folks, that's it for this time. Have a great journey, and I will see you guys in the next video.